Let today we will start temperature. What is temperature? The temperature measuring device and the different scale to measure the temperature. First we see what is temperature. Temperature of a substance is physical quantity which measure the degree of hotness or coldness of the substance. It also determines whether the heat energy flow from one body to another body or not. Heat will flow from a body at a higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. In the definition, the word comes physical quantity. And what is physical quantity? Anything that can be measured are called quantity. But anything that can be measured with same kind of instrument or unit are called physical quantity. Now, temperature scale. Temperature of a body measured by thermometer using different temperature scale such as number 1 Celsius scale, notation is degree Celsius. Second one Fahrenheit scale, notation is degree Fahrenheit. Third one is Reaumur scale, notation is degree Reaumur. Fourth one is Kelvin or absolute temperature scale, notation is Kelvin. Now, you know about the Celsius scale. Celsius scale of temperature was invented by a Swedish astronomer Andrews Celsius and hence known as Celsius scale. In this scale, at standard atmospheric pressure, the melting point of pure ice is marked as lower fixed point, which is 0 degree Celsius. The boiling point of pure water or stream point at standard atmospheric pressure marked as upper fixed point, which is 100 degree Celsius. The interval between lower and upper point is divided into 100 equal parts or division. Each part is 1 degree Celsius. Second one is Fahrenheit scale. It was invented by a German Dutch physicist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit and hence known as Fahrenheit scale. In this scale, the melting point of pure ice at standard atmospheric pressure is 32 degree Fahrenheit and marked as the lower fixed point on the thermometer. The boiling point of pure water or stream point at standard atmospheric pressure is 212 degree Fahrenheit and marked as the upper fixed point on the thermometer. The interval between lower and upper fixed point is divided into 180 equal division. Each division is known as 1 degree Fahrenheit. Third one is Reaumur scale. It was invented by Danish astronomers Ole Reaumur and hence known as Reaumur scale. On this scale, the ice point is marked as 0 degree Reaumur and steam point is marked as 80 degree Reaumur. The interval between these two reference points is divided into 80 equal division. Each division is called degree Reaumur or 1 degree Reaumur. Fourth one is Kelvin or absolute temperature scale. It was invented by British scientist William Thomson, also known as Lord Kelvin, and hence known as Kelvin scale. The temperature scale, which begins at absolute zero, is called Kelvin or absolute scale. Absolute zero temperature is equivalent to minus 223.15 degrees Celsius or minus 459.67 degree Fahrenheit. The lower point 223.15 Kelvin and upper is 323.15 Kelvin. The relation between the all four temperature scale is Tc by 100 equal to Tf minus 32 by 100 equal to Tr minus 0 by 80 equal to capital Tk minus 223.15 by 100. Here Tc is small t and C is in subscript. Tc is temperature in degree Celsius. Small t in subscript F, Tf is temperature in Fahrenheit, and small t and in subscript capital R, which is temperature in Reaumur scale, and capital T in subscript K is temperature in Kelvin or temperature in absolute temperature. Using this relation, you can convert any temperature scale in any other. It's all for